6-year-old Derica Grace has never been to school, but she can discuss cryptocurrency, explain the history of the Black Panther movement, and show you how to shoot an Uzi machine gun. It's all thanks to her father, Derek Grace II, who has developed his own homeschooling curriculum after making the decision to pull his son out of first grade in 2016. The father of 4, from Tampa, Florida, says that he's not a fan of the school system, and believes they dilute the mental progression of children. However, he has attracted controversy online after posting a series of videos online showing his daughter Derica and son Derek Grace III loading guns and reciting facts learned from their homeschool experience. Advertising again read, invented by Teed. Scroll down for video plus 17 mguide.d. equals I288E2D97B8 fa649 src equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01626/11/4890T36 image M47_1516966033712.jpg height equals 934 width equals 634 alt equals Derek Grace II. Pictured with children Derica, 6, front, and 1-year-old daughters Melanin and Malia. Has developed his own homeschooling curriculum. Class equals block sporter and share, greater than meet the homeschooled kids who shoot to kill loaded, 0% progress, 0% 0:00 previous play skip live mute 0:00 current time 0:00 duration time 8:58 full screen need text video quality 576p 540p 360p 270p foreground, white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, opaque semi-opaque background, white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, opaque semi-transparent transparent window, white black red green blue yellow magenta cyan, opaque semi-transparent transparent font size 50% 75% 100% 125% 150% 175% 200% 300% 400% text edge style none raised depressed uniform drop shadow font family default monospace serif proportional serif monospace sans serif proportional sans serif casual script small caps defaults done minimize expand close. Describing his attitude towards homeschooling, Derek, 28, said, "To me school is a daycare. It's a place where the adults take the babies while they worry about adult life. I'm not a huge fan of the school system statewide or on a national level. I think they do a whole lot to dilute the mental progression of our children. So I think it's absolutely dead had we take it into our hands." He continued, "My curriculum includes guns because violence can take place anywhere in the world at any given moment. I'm a firm believer that if you have guns in your house, an educated mind is far greater than a wandering mind. Plus 17 mguide.d. equals ida69 feek 6 0428 src equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/i/pics/2018/01626/11/4890t165000578531589 image A48_15966065840.jpg, height equals 951 width equals 634 alt equals Derica, 6, is fully versed in how to load and shoot Glocks, Mac 11s, and even an Uzi, pictured, class equals block sporter img share, greater than both Derek Jr., 9, and Derica, 6, are fully versed in loading magazines into Glocks, Mac 11s, and even an Uzi, fully extending their arms, and pulling the triggers. Although the children usually practice with empty magazines, they have accompanied their father to shooting ranges to experience the recoil that comes with actually firing rounds. Since taking his children's schooling into his own hands, Derek has had an obvious effect on their development. Derica, who also enjoys gymnastics and has a lucky bullet displayed in her room, said, "If somebody was trying to kill me or if somebody is trying to kill my father, or my mom, or my sisters, anybody that's my family members, I would shoot them. If somebody broke into my house I'd shoot them." The siblings make use of their father's small arsenal of 5 guns, which at one time comprised 12 firearms and now includes a Glock 30 nicknamed Big Black and an AK-47, affectionately known to its owner as Brown Sugar. Plus 17 and guide.d. equals I270E307635OE9A42SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pix/2018/01626/11/4898T1BDO000578531589 image M50_1516966094516.jpg height equals 904 width equals 634 alt equals Derek says it is important for his children to know how to use guns because violence can take place anywhere in the world at any given moment. Class equals block sport or share, greater than. For Derek, this is all an important part of his curriculum and bringing his children up in a way that shuns much of society's traditions and customs, so as to gain what he says is a more individualistic perspective on life. He now spreads a message of self-sufficiency, and has built a business around his Unlearn and Relearn curriculum, which is available for others to purchase, alongside a range of books containing guidance for adults. It's built on 4 elements: self-love, self-education, self-awareness, and self-reliance. I think those are key to live a mentally free and fruitful life, he explained. It's not just guns that are on the curriculum, however, as proved when asking Derica to recite facts. Question what intellectual property is, she responded confidently with, they can take your possessions, but they can't take your mind. Plus 17 and I.D. equals I1004250D3A4B0 SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pix/2018/016/11/4898T2620000578531589 image M52_1516966135382.jpg height equals 1017 width equals 634 alt equals Derica, pictured, is also well versed in subjects such as cryptocurrency and the Black Panther movement. Class equals block sport or share, greater than. Plus 17 and guide.d. equals I62F7856113B96F1 CSRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pix/2018/016/12/4899B3B3000578531589 she has _also_been_taught _how_load _and _shoot _range _of _guns _am85_16197120606.jpg height equals 468 width equals 634 alt equals her father has taught her how to load magazines into various guns, and how to shoot them. Class equals block sport or share, greater than. Derek is open about his troubled upbringing, where, despite coming from a family with a strong history in law enforcement, his day-to-day life involved breaking into houses and cars, and generally rebelling against a school system he felt neglected his particular talents. I was a terrible child, he explained. At Christmas time we would cut Christmas lights just for the hell of it, to ruin people's holiday. I know I broke into at least 20 cars as a child. We would just go in these guys' houses and sit there and just go through their stuff. The entrepreneur, whose own father is a Secret Service retiree and whose grandfather worked as part of both the sheriff's office and the Tampa PD, would continue to get into trouble into his teens, before starting work as a 911 dispatcher in 2008. Despite this seemingly respectable job, he still found himself getting into trouble in his personal life, at one point being involved in a fight at a children's birthday party, where his assailants attempted to steal thousands of dollars worth of his jewelry. Reflecting on the incident, Derek recalled how he used the services available to him as a 911 dispatcher to track down the people from that day. I used some of my resources to find addresses, locations, names of almost everybody in that family. Plus 17, imguy.d. equals I3C08605F336SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pix/2018/016/11/4898T1A1000578531589 image M55_1516966174764.jpg height equals 587 width equals 630 634 alt equals Derek began developing his own homeschooling curriculum after making the decision to pull his son out of first grade in 2016. Class equals blocks border and share, greater than plus 17 and guide. D. equals I345238 DDBCF 644A5, SRC equals http://i.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/26/11/4890-020005785315899 image A58_1516966215999.jpg height equals 423 width equals 634 alt equals. However, videos shared online showing Derek shooting a gun has sparked controversy. Class equals blocks border and share, greater than plus 17 im guide. D. equals iod 6 DDD17B71 EB4 SRC equals http://i.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/016/11/4890-030005785315899 image A56_1516966193975.jpg height equals 423 width equals 634 alt equals. Derek has launched his own curriculum for other parents to follow, which is available for others to purchase. Class equals blocks border and share, greater than I found them 8 months later. My AK-47, that was my weapon of choice that day. But we ended up robbing them, taking everything he had, making him take some articles of clothing off. My goal that day was just to belittle him as best I could. I have evolved. I am a different person now, but I wouldn't change anything. I think respect is a huge thing. He recalls how, during these troubled years, he would have bought a bazooka rocket launcher if he could have afforded it, just to say I got the biggest gun in Tampa. Referring to the incident at the children's party, he said, when there was like 30 of them, I definitely would have just used the bazooka and just blew the whole parking lot up. However, Derek says that this is all part of a past he has made real efforts to leave behind. Plus 17 im guide. D. equals IE21 CAD 96 CD21 D193 SRC equals http://i.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/26/11/4890 T36F0005785315899 image M59_1516966235098.jpg height equals 779 width equals 634 alt equals. The father of 4 admits that he himself had a troubled upbringing while growing up. Class equals blocks border and share, greater than, after losing his job as a 911 dispatcher in 2012, due to taking time off on a holiday and allegedly mishandling a 911 call, he decided to try to make a more positive impact and became a mentor to young people. He has since spoken at numerous schools and juvenile corrections facilities throughout Hillsborough County in Tampa, and now shares his knowledge with a much larger demographic, traveling the U.S. with Derek III and Derica, as well as his 2 one-year-old daughters. Of course, homeschooling helps him to make his own schedule, which in turn allows him to bring his children on stage at events around the country and showcase the results of his own brand of education. Homeschooled children in the United States account for a very small number of overall students, with just 3.3% of students between 5 and 17 being taught at home for the year 2015-16, according to data released by the Department of Education last September. But while a 2012 report from the National Center for Education Statistics (NCES) showed parents were homeschooling mainly out of concern for their children's safety or to help them avoid temptations such as drugs, Derek's decision to keep his children out of school comes from his personal philosophy of self-actualization. Plus 17 im guide. D. equals IDD42F85C725 SRC equals http://i.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/26/11/4890-020005785315899 image A61_15966283643.jpg height equals 951 width equals 634 alt equals. Derek, who is also now an entrepreneur, says his biggest aim is to teach his children to be self-sufficient. Class equals blocks border and share, greater than my biggest aim is I want them to be self-sufficient, he explained. I think it's 100% unfair to raise our kids to be dependent on us until 16, and then force them to be dependent on strangers until they're 70. While distrust of the system plays a big role in Derek's overall project, safety is still a big concern for the Tampa native, which is why he chooses to focus so heavily on gun education and making sure his children can defend themselves. As with so many cities in the modern United States, Tampa has experienced its own issues with guns and gun violence in recent times. Just last year, the city's Seminole Heights neighborhood was rocked by the indiscriminate shootings of 4 separate residents who were seemingly targeted for nothing more than being out in public. It took 51 days before the first arrest was made in the case, during which time, residents were advised not to leave their houses alone. Plus 17 and guide.d. equals I68F06C5A3F1273BFSRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/26/12/48984422000578531589 image M79_1516970251819.jpg height equals 453 width equals 634 alt equals. However, videos of daughter Derica, pictured, and her brother online have sparked criticism from other parents. Class equals blocks border image share, greater than plus 17 and guide.d. equals I448D31758A1DC5E1SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/016/11/4890/2016/11/578531589 image M70_1516966521459.jpg height equals 418 width equals 306 alt equals. Derica explains how if somebody tried to shoot her or her family, she would shoot them. Class equals blocks border img share, greater than plus 17 and guide.d. equals I433F67-65711D54SRC equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/26/12/48908322000578531589 image M81_15970269238.jpg height equals 418 width equals 306 alt equals. She says if someone tried to break into her home, she would shoot them. Class equals blocks border img share, greater than. Derek recalls the events well. The guy was just shooting random people for 2 months. Killed 4 people. By just popping out at night. No reason, no personality traits in common, no nothing. Just literally coming to the area and shooting at random people. It's a jungle outside. These people are at a place where have no moral compass, they're killing kids and all, they just don't care. There's no doubt that Derek has come a long way from his days spent breaking into houses and cars, but he has had trouble escaping his complicated past. In 2014, he was involved in an altercation with the mother and brother of his current partner, in which he ended up shooting at them both from a parked car, hitting the mother in the hand, and the brother in the arm. A 3-year-old Derica was in the back seat of the car at the time. Resolute that the pair had started the confrontation, he explained how he warned the brother that if he opened the car door, he would use deadly force. Plus 17 and guide.d. equals I8B2A5472F8A19 equals http://.dailymail.co.uk/pics/2018/01/26/11/489084C70000578531589 image A65_16966304873.jpg height equals 951 width equals 634 alt equals. Derek says he thinks of schools as a daycare center, which is why he decided to take matters into his own hands. Class equals blocks border img share, greater than. I told him, listen, if you open it, or I am going to kill you. He said he just leaned out to the left and started firing out the passenger door, but because her mother jumped in the way, she had her hand up, so I ended up shooting her. She did lose a finger, but they were able to put it surgically back on. And I ended up shooting him in the arm. Following the shooting, Derek says the brother threatened to use his own gun. He continued, I'm like, go get it, let's have a shootout. But for a split second I forgot Derica was in the car. I'm like, damn, I can't have a shootout. She's in the car, he may not be a good aim. He may shoot wild, and if something happened to her then I would have to go back home, retrieve something even bigger, and try to come back and kill everybody that's related.